Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Jane Mugo. Now today, I've just woken up. I've been wanting to purchase a microwave, but now today I've decided, let me come out and then I go check the way the prices are ranging. And my first supermarket I want to go to Carrefour and check how the prices are over there. If the prices are good according to my budget, I'll purchase one. But if the pricing are higher, more than what I have in my pocket, I'll just leave it and then I'll buy another time. But I might not film when I'm there, but I just wanted to plug you on what I want to go out and do. I'm already dressed up, as you can see. I'm at Carrefour right now, but I also wanted to check prices of coffee maker, but I've seen they don't have the type that I wanted. I want to buy a coffee maker of Kenwood company, but I'll come another day and check what they have today. I'm back, guys. It's at night. As I had told you earlier, I just wanted to buy another bucket so that I can be able to put those clothes inside this one, because I had one before and then I decided to buy the second one so that I can arrange my clothes inside there. So I passed through Kamukoji. I went to TLM at Carrefour, but I did not find the microwave that I wanted, and I decided to go to town, and then I went to Kamukoji. This is the bucket that I have bought to put the clothes, and I went to Madai supermarket. That's where I found this Shoerack. This is a Shoerack, the one that is down there. I've not yet unboxed it. I will unbox tomorrow because I'm feeling so tired. It's at night. I'm feeling so tired. I just want to shower and relax and cook something to eat. So when I fix it tomorrow, I'll show you how it looks like. I did not manage to buy the microwave because I never had all that cash, but I decided to go with Lipa Pore Pore, and then when I finish paying, I'll just pick the microwave of my choice, the one that I wanted, because I saw it at Madai supermarket. Yeah, I'll show you tomorrow when I unbox it and fix it. as you can see, I managed to fix the shoelack, and that's how the shoelack looks like. I love it because it's so spacious. On the top side, I decided to arrange my handbags, and on the side, my nylon box. Down near the shoes, I decided to put all my mafuta in one container, and then I arrange them in order together. That's how my shoelack looks like. I love it. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do show, share, like, and comment below, and also give me the support.